Good morning everyone. So till now we have done De Morgan's law. So two De Morgan's law were there. The first law was A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement dot B complement. Second was A dot B whole complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. Fine. Now these two laws we will use to find the complement of any expression. Suppose first expression we have, which is A plus BC complement. Now we have to find the complete complement of this expression. So if this is the expression, its complement will be A plus BC complement whole complement. Now we will apply De Morgan's law in this expression. Fine. So according to De Morgan's law, we know A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement dot B complement. So we will assume this is A and this term is as B. So we can simplify it as A complement dot BC complements whole complement. So BC complement here we have assumed as B. Fine. So we got the answer A complement dot BC complements complement, and we also know that since A complement is always equals to A, so we can use this basic theorem and we will apply it here. So A complement dot BC's complement will be BC only. So this is the required answer. This is the complement of expression A plus BC complement. Similarly, we have second example. Suppose we have A B complement plus B C complement D complement. This is the second example. We have to find the complement of this expression. So what we'll do, we'll put a bar in above this whole expression, complement of this expression. So again, using De Morgan's law, which is A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement dot B complement, we'll assume it as A and this as B. So what is the law? Since A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement dot B complement, using this theorem we will get AB complements whole complement dot BC complement D complements whole complement. Now again we can apply De Morgan's law in this term. So again what we can write, A complement plus B complement dot, we can apply De Morgan's here also. So in place of product dot we will write plus. So B complement plus C complements complement plus D complements complement. Now see, A complement plus this will be, since B complements complement is equal to B, so this will come as B dot B complement will remain same, and C complements complement will be C plus D complements complement will be D only. Okay, so this is the required answer. Similarly, we have another example, which is X bar or complement plus Y complement. X Y complement Z plus X complement Z complement. So we have to find the complement of this expression. So what we will do, we'll put a complement over this expression. Y complement X Y complement Z plus X complement Z complement whole complement. Fine. So again De Morgan's law will use, since A plus B whole complement is equal to, here it will come, since A dot B whole complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. The second law we will use. So we'll assume it as A and this as B. So it will come X complement plus Y complements whole complement plus, this is term B, complement z complements whole complement. Fine. Now again we can apply De Morgan's here. Fine. So it will come x complements complement dot y complements complement. This is the first expression. Then here also we can apply De Morgan's. Here plus signs is there, we can change it to multiplication. Y z whole complement dot x complement z complements whole complement. Fine. X complement complement is x, y complement complement is y. For second term, see, again we can apply De Morgan's here. So it will be x bar plus y complement complement plus z complement dot, here also we can apply De Morgan's. So it will be x bar bar plus z bar bar. Now simplify it. X dot y plus x bar plus y complement complement is y, z complement complement is z dot x complement complement x plus z. So this is the required answer. In this way you can solve these questions where we have to find the complement of any expression.